sixth graders. This is lesson 13 of module 3, topic B. So let's jump in and let's get started. So statements of order in the real world, lesson 13. Ticket. Lonnie and Daryl call each other from different sides of Watertown. Locations are shown on the number line below using miles. Use absolute value to explain who is a farther distance in miles from Watertown. How much closer is one than the other? So we've got Watertown here at 0, and we've got Daryl, who is 10 miles away, and we have Lonnie, who is -6 miles away. But let's really think about that. Can you be -6 miles away? No. So really, you find the absolute value, or distance, from -6 to 0, and she is actually 6 miles away. So use absolute value to explain who is a farther distance from Watertown. The absolute value of 10 is 10. So it looks like Daryl is 10 miles away, and Lonnie is 6 miles away. Daryl is farther away. Okay, good enough. Claude recently read that no one has ever scuba dived more than 330 meters below sea level. It's very hard to scuba dive above sea level because there would be no water there. So describe what this means in terms of elevation using sea level as a reference point. So again, you can't really swim above sea level. There's really no water. So scuba diving, here's sea level, here's into the water. No one's ever scuba dived more than 330. So here's, halfway in between -300 and -400 is -350. So -330 would be right around there. So what this means is, right, people have scuba dove here, all the way I'm shading it. Here, 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 and then it stops. And no one has scuba dove lower than this. So 330 meters below sea level is a distance of 330 meters. So that's basically all that means. So this lesson 13, super quick, super straightforward.